it's your girl Joe, and we back with another video. Excuse my hair because I'm in the middle of braiding it up for a wig and cleaning it, so I'm just in the process of top wig. As you guys can see, don't mind this, y'all, because this wig was yellow, then I dyed it black and it kind of got, but I just took this wig off of my head. It's a frontal wig. I'm gonna show you guys the residue first. Y'all see the residue? And this how it looks. It's just, I don't like how it looks. So all we're going to do is put this in some hot water. Okay, we'll be right back. And I have the frontal in there, y'all, so you'll see it to start do this, but whenever it's fully wet, I'll show you guys how it looks after. I'm just showing you. You keep the whole frontal submerged. The whole wig does not have to get wet, just the front part, okay? So keep that submerged in there like that for a minute.
Houdini do this for my dead brother. Most of us
Watch how it just all comes off.
I prayed for a change. When I knew it was some shit I was gonna change. Yeah, I'ma do this for my dead brother. Most of all, I'ma do this for my head brother. Lord knows that we prayed for a change. When I knew it was some shit I was gonna change.
Yeah, big dog, young head hunter. Bitches grab a take them slide down red run. Them pussy niggas took me. That shit fucking with my head, man. Fuck everybody, family, man. I can't see my was hanging out from January to December. It ain't full of hate.
And I'm just gonna spray it all around there.
Till I make up the heavy
I'ma do this for my dead brother. Most of all, I'ma do this for my head brother. Lord know that I prayed for a change. When I knew it was some shit I was gonna change.
One, two.
For my head brother.
I used Ghost Bun. That's what y'all want to know. I used Ghost Bun, but guess what? I'm not using Ghost Bun. I'm going to show you guys how to apply your wig using only GOT2B. I'm dropping so many gems, okay? I'm gonna move up a little closer so y'all can see me put it on your head. This is all you need. Some GOT2B.
Picture me rolling, rolling. They say the sky's the limit. These niggas, they proud like we can't see me falling or toiling. They say the sky's the blink. Ain't got no trouble to ride with it. Picture me rolling, rolling. They say the sky's the limit. These niggas, they proud like we can't see me falling or toiling. They say the sky's the blink. Ain't got no trouble to ride with it. This a young man, had to take a stand for my own thing. Sick and tired of struggle, only us is the seller though. Till I get on, make a home for the fam, baby. Who give a damn, strategize and run up my shit. Heart broken back a couple knives up in. I could've died, who would've died if them shots kept singing. Can't apologize, it was only God who was riding with me. I got fire up in. Back at it, big old cat fanatic. Who gon' start the grind? Money make who gon' be fed to grab? A bunch of niggas dying, ain't got no time. Ain't got no time for the way, yeah. Get out of line, we gon' send them flying. You can face that. Rolling, rolling. They say the sky's the limit. These niggas, they proud like we can't see me folding or toiling. They say the sky's the blink. Ain't got no trouble to ride with it. Picture me rolling, rolling. They say the sky's the limit. These niggas, they proud like we can't see me folding or toiling. They say the sky's the blink. Ain't got no trouble to ride with it. I can't take a fall and be a fool and blow my own brain. I'm just trying to get my cake up and stay in my own lane. Crazy how your own blood cross, you said my old name. I remember back in middle school, we on the same thing. Baby say if I don't get my shit right, who am I to blame? Walking through the darkness full of tears that left me with pain. Really gotta let you niggas go for crossing the grain. You know where that, I know that your love got me going insane. Catch me a charge and I'm busting his brain. Approach me wrong and he feeling the flame. War zone, it's the end of the game. Try to cross me and that shit was a shame. Now she telling me she like how I came. Frozo, now they call me a dame. Ice me out with her watching the chain. See through pushes like that shit was a frame. Picture me rolling, rolling. They say the sky's the limit. These niggas, they proud like we can't see me folding or toiling. picture me rolling. They say the sky's the limit. These niggas, they proud like we can't see me folding or toiling. They say the sky's the limit. Ain't got no choice to ride with it.
Track, so you know I smash.
Yeah, we're gonna keep this natural and let me show y'all like how I'm hiding aside from y'all nothing. Moose, because this moose works.
Fist on a pistol, we can take it there. Bullets twisting them like Jamaican. I know they gon' bleed. These niggas, they be pussin'. It's gangsta in my jeans. Straight gangsta in my jeans. Fuck 'em, we not the others. That pussy go to playing games. Let his mama love him. On the block, I got that Eddie Kane. In and out, I hustle. Through the night, I get that fat in man. But you know about the struggle. Loyalty, that's what my in the streets I keep out. I'ma hit 'em up and get 'em out the way. Nigga, we don't give no if it's over, then it's up. In this shit here, it get real around the way. Bitch, we gon' blitz you, I just hate to stare. Watch for the hate, let's make a way prevail. I've been in these streets, I feel just like a king with all these big blue bills on me. Bitch, I keep that fire on me. Start a pistol, we can take it there. Bullets twisting them like Jamaican. I know that